hopefully.
What about the bottom left? Which one? What's the bottom?
Oh, bottom, that'll just be grayed out.
And apply or just apply or
I just go okay. So once you've got your doors on there, the same process as putting the lights in. And go systems, electrical device, and you want to go to lighting. No device is loaded. Would you like to load one now? Yes. We're going to take it under lighting. MEP, internal, speaker switches in here. Doesn't look like it. So I'll just go to electrical. Sorry, I'll just find the switch. Does anyone know where to find an electrical?
It's in electrical, and then it's in MEP, and then I think it's in that information and communication, I believe. No, maybe not.
Well, you
it's in
haven't-
one of those, because I got it in. It's probably good on that's right.
Yeah, look down.
MEP.
Search. Must have search option.
Electrical power. That's the one. Yep.
Good.
Oh, it's easy.
What was that? Australia?
MEP, electrical power terminal.
Electrical power terminals.
That will-
Electric power?
We can use it.
Terminals, yeah. So what is it? What are we using? Sweet? No, we don't know yet.
I'll just find a lighting switch.
Someone always maybe raising this sheet.
So once you've got that lighting switch loaded in, you'll find a spot next to the door. Pick this main room. We'll put our switch just next to the door on the wall. And you'll notice that the elevation is at 1200
Mm-hmm.
for that one. So I suppose that's right for a light switch. That's 1200 roughly here. It's the same as that one
Mm-hmm.
on the wall over there. So just put that on the wall.
Right here.
And then in that option there,
Yep.
you'll have all the different types of switches.
Ah, right. Sorry. Yeah.
I appreciate it.
So we've got a one-way switch.
Yeah.
Ah, beautiful. Thanks.
So you just click on that one and create similar, or you can go through the process of inserting the switch again.
Will they all be one-way switches?
Yeah.
Maybe we should have this on two-way, shouldn't we? This one here.
It's up to you, really.
And you would set the switch up so we recommend the doors to the left or right.
Yeah, well, obviously you don't want it behind. You open the door this way, you don't want it there. If you want to
So
put a
just
two-way
do-
or three-way switches, that's fine as well.
Give or take, like some they wouldn't do much, but we'll cut the list, get screwing in it. So Brad's making them do shit.
Click on that one, or any switch. You can change it to a two-way or a three-way or a one-way switch. Three-way will be three.
So when you want to change, if you put one way at the beginning and but you want to change two switches to two ways, you have to go individual, change that individual.
Are we all okay with putting in switches? So once you've got your switches in there, we're going to put in some wiring, so we're going to go to systems, electrical, and wire. Now there are different ways to wire your switches up. We used to just draw lines to represent the wire. Now we've actually started drawing the wire itself. But it's still just, it acts the same as line work. You can't see it in a 3D view anyway, so don't really know what the benefit is of drawing a wire compared to drawing a line. So, depends on the company, what they want to do. So I got a wire, and we can choose any one of these, but as a standard, we use chamfered wire. All that does is it just chamfers the corners. That video shows. Select that one. And we'll go with the easy one first. So you notice that the wire wants to snap to the center of any device. So just go to your light. Make sure you're on the midpoint or on that node. Click. And then just go over to your light switch. And escape. That's not a very good one.
Let's do one, please.
Let me do that again.
Can we make it color?
Pardon?
Can we make the one color?
Yeah, you can.
So you can. You can choose that one, that one.
Because it's hiding the symbol. Yeah. We'll try spline. think it's because it's such a short line that it might not want to do much with it.
Yeah, mine's worked.
Yeah.
Not sure why.
I'm just going to use R.
Yeah, whatever works. Let's try arc.
So we can go through and wire the lights up, but it would be nice if that was shown as a different line type or color, as Billy said. So we can go into our visibility graphics. You just type VV. And all the way at the bottom, you find wires.
Typing.
And just override the line. So choose a color, say red,
Go to
and the pattern we can
override,
make hidden.
and then colour. Whatever you want.
And we'll show it hidden.
Big double line.
Might actually make that a bit smaller. Too small. So just play around with it until you're happy with what you see. The 1.5, hidden 1.5 seems to be
Still Control Z. And see what happens.
Control C.
Z. Like that, yeah. Control Z is just quick undo.
Oh, okay.
So if you ever lose something accidentally, Control Z and it'll just
No, okay.
undo what you did. Then just go back again, press BD. Try again. Yep. Right. Yep. Right, keep it selected though. Yes, I'm keep it clicked in. Yep. And then colour again. No, okay. Yes. And then patterns. Yep. One if you like.
Okay.
Okay. And then okay. And then go down to apply. Yep. And okay. And hopefully suits you.
Well, it's probably the spelling's not right for the line, is it?
Yeah, that's alright. You can go to VV again. If you go VV again, and then go back to wire, you can change the, should be able to change the thickness of the line. Yeah, click on that, yeah. So, that's it. And then up the top it's got weight. I'm not sure. I think that might be able to help you, or you might just have to change the pattern. I'm not quite sure on that one.
But could you just go down to see what's on, see what happens,